Alright, let's talk about making money. Seriously, it's 2025. If you're not thinking about multiple streams of income, you're falling behind. What if I told you there's a way to earn money while you sleep? Or while you're on vacation? Or while you're just watching YouTube videos? This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is affiliate marketing, a real, legitimate business model that's changed the game for countless people. There is absolutely no reason why you can't be one of them. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need a ton of startup capital. You don't need a revolutionary new product. All you need is a willingness to learn and the drive to take action. I get it. You're skeptical. You've heard these promises before. But stick with me. This is different. I'm not selling you a $1,000 course. I'm giving you the blueprint for free, right here. Your journey to building a new income stream starts today. Let's get into it. So what exactly is this magical concept called affiliate marketing? It's actually incredibly simple. At its core, affiliate marketing is just you, as a publisher, earning a commission for promoting another company's product or service. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, you earn a piece of the profit for each sale you make. Think of yourself as a freelance salesperson. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to handle the inventory. You don't have to deal with shipping. You don't have to manage customer service. The company handles all of that. Your only job is to be the bridge between the customer and the product. Imagine you love a particular brand of running shoes. You talk about them all the time to your friends. What if that shoe company paid you every time a friend bought based on your recommendation? That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. The company gives you a special, unique tracking link. Someone clicks your link. They make a purchase. The company's system knows you sent them and credits you with the sale. You get a commission. The company gets a new customer. The customer gets a great product you recommended. It's a win-win-win. This is passive income. Passive doesn't mean you do nothing. It means you do the work once, and it keeps paying. For example, you write a blog post reviewing those running shoes. Months later, people find it, click your link, and buy. You still earn long after you wrote the post. Okay, so you understand the concept. Now for the most important part, choosing what to promote. This step can literally make or break your affiliate marketing career before it even starts. You could have the best marketing strategy in the world, but if you're promoting a terrible product that nobody wants, you're not going to make any money. It's that simple. The secret is to find the sweet spot, a product that is in high demand, offers a decent commission, something you can genuinely get behind. Don't just pick something because it has a high payout. You need to believe in what you're selling. Start with your own interests and passions. What topics do you know a lot about? What do you enjoy talking about? Fitness? Gaming? Cooking? Personal finance? Brainstorm a list of topics you love. From there, think about the products and services associated with those topics. If you're into coffee, you could promote espresso machines, coffee grinders, or a coffee bean subscription. This is your niche. Once you have a niche, do market research. Check for demand. Check the competition. Use free tools like Google Trends. A little competition is good. It means money. But oversaturated markets with giant sites can block beginners. Look for healthy demand with room for a new voice. Finally, evaluate the products themselves. Is it quality? Would I use it? Does it solve a real problem? Read customer reviews. Try it if you can. Also check the commission structure. Find balance between product quality, price, and commission rate that fits your goals. Now that you have an idea of what you want to promote, you need to find the companies that will actually pay you to do it. These are called affiliate programs or affiliate networks. An affiliate network is like a giant marketplace that connects publishers, that's you, with thousands of companies called merchants looking for affiliates. These platforms handle the boring stuff like tracking, reporting, and payments, making your life a whole lot easier. As a beginner, start with a well-known network. They're reliable, easy to use, and have tons of products. One of the best places to start is Amazon Associates, Amazon's official affiliate program. It's an absolute goldmine. Almost everyone shops on Amazon and trusts it, so it's easy to get people to buy from a site they already use. You can promote millions of products, books, electronics, kitchen gadgets. The commission rates aren't the highest, but volume helps, and you earn on anything bought within 24 hours of your link. Another great platform for digital products is ClickBank. Ebooks, online courses, software. Often 50% commissions, or even 75% sometimes because there's no manufacturing or shipping. Finally, check out ShareASale, one of the oldest, most respected networks, working with thousands of merchants and offering both physical and digital products. The platform is straightforward with great reporting. Between Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, you have access to more products than you could ever possibly promote. These three are the perfect starting point for any new affiliate marketer. Section 5. Your first step. Setting up your affiliate account like a pro. Alright, you've picked your niche. You know which platforms you want to join. Time to take action. Sign up. Seems intimidating? It's really just filling out forms. Let's walk through it. Sign up for a program like Amazon Associates, ShareASale. They'll ask for basic info, name, address, payment details. They'll ask about your website or your social media profile, where you'll promote products. Don't panic if you don't have a huge following. This is the application. Be taken seriously. When they ask for your website URL, have something to show. It doesn't have to be perfect, but look professional. Start a simple blog, use WordPress, use Squarespace. Show simple blog homepage with menu, about me, and a few post titles. Write a few high-quality articles related to your niche before you apply. Be honest and thorough on the application. Describe your website. Describe your promotional methods. Don't just write, "I'll post links." Explain your strategy. Example: I run a blog focused on home coffee brewing for beginners, writing detailed, unbiased reviews, creating step-by-step brewing guides, comparing different models to help readers decide. After you submit, you might have to wait a few days for approval. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard, your command center. You're approved. You have your affiliate links. Now, how do you get people to actually click them and buy stuff? This is where your strategy comes into play. You need to build a platform where you can share your links in a helpful, non-spammy way. There are three main methods that are perfect for beginners: blogging, social media, email marketing. You don't need to master all of them at once. Pick one to start with, focus on it, and get good at it. For most people, starting a blog is the best long-term strategy, and it's what I recommend. A blog is your own piece of digital real estate. You own it, you control it, and no algorithm change can take it away from you overnight. Your blog is where you can create in-depth, valuable content. For example, you could write a post titled, "The 5 Best Coffee Grinders Under $100 for 2025. Review 5 grinders, talk about pros and cons, and include your affiliate links. People searching Google find your article, read your advice, and when they're ready to buy, they'll click your link." Social media is another powerful tool, especially for visual niches. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest are fantastic for showcasing products. You could create short video reviews, tutorials, unboxing videos. On platforms like Instagram, you can't put clickable links in every post, so you'll use a link in bio tool like Linktree. This works best when you build a community and interact with followers. Finally, there's the email list. This is your most valuable asset, hands down. Why? Because you own it. Offer something valuable for free, like a checklist or a short guide. Once they're on your list, send helpful tips, exclusive content, and affiliate recommendations. Start building your list from day one. Let's get one thing straight. Content is everything in this business. You can have the best products and the perfect platform, but if your content is boring, unhelpful, or just plain bad, no one will stick around long enough to click your links. Your goal is to create content that not only attracts visitors, but also builds trust and persuades them to take action. Stop thinking like a salesperson and start thinking like a helpful friend or a trusted expert. Your primary job is to solve your audience's problems and answer their questions. The sales will follow naturally from that. So, what does good content look like? It's detailed, honest, valuable. A bad blog post would be a short paragraph saying, "This grinder is great. Buy it here." A great blog post would be a 2,000-word deep dive with photos, a video in action, a feature breakdown, comparisons, and who it's for, and who it's not for. One of the most effective content types is the review post. People are actively searching for reviews before they spend money. Create the best, most comprehensive review. Be brutally honest. If a product has a flaw, mention it. It builds immense trust. Another killer format is the comparison post. Breville Barista Express versus Gaggia Classic Pro. Which is best? Create a comparison table, break down features, and give a final recommendation by user needs. By doing the heavy lifting and research for your audience, you become an invaluable resource. This is how you create content that doesn't just get clicks, it gets conversions. Once you start getting some traffic and maybe even a few sales, it's time to put on your business owner hat. This is where you move from just being a content creator to being a savvy marketer. Get obsessed with your data. All affiliate networks provide reporting tools. It shows which links are clicked, which products are selling, and how much commission you're earning. This data is pure gold. If you have 1,000 views but only 10 clicks, maybe the link is hard to find or your call to action isn't strong enough. If you have 100 clicks and 0 sales, maybe the product isn't a fit, or the sales page is terrible. Don't just guess. Let the numbers guide your strategy. Once you identify what's working, the next step is to scale. Do more of what's effective. If best of posts make the most income, create more. If a product sells like crazy, find similar products or do a comparison post. Or create a YouTube review to reach a new audience. Double down on your winners. Don't be afraid to experiment. The landscape changes fast. Try new platforms, test videos or podcasts, and A/B test your calls to action and link placement. Even button color can impact conversion. The key is to always be testing, always be learning, always be optimizing. Your affiliate income reflects your ongoing effort to improve and adapt. We've covered a lot. We've talked about what affiliate marketing is, how to pick a niche, where to find products, and how to create content that actually makes you money. At this point, you have more than enough information to get started. The single biggest mistake that most people make is getting stuck in analysis paralysis. I'm telling you right now, don't be that person. Imperfect action is 1,000 times better than perfect inaction. Here is your homework. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Today, I want you to do one thing. Pick your niche. That's it. Don't worry about the website, the content, or the affiliate programs yet. Just decide on the topic you are going to focus on. What are you passionate about? What could you talk about for hours? Write it down. Make it real. This is the first, most crucial step on your journey. This is not going to be an overnight success story. You're not going to be a millionaire next week. This is a real business. It takes time and consistent effort. There will be days with 0 sales. This is normal. This is part of the process. You have a choice to make right now. Or, you can decide that 2025 is the year you take control of your financial destiny. The opportunity is right in front of you. The blueprint is in your hands. The only variable left in the equation is you.